This is Drones by Ashlyn Stoker, and this is for exercise 5. So, what are drones? So, a drone is an unmanned aircraft. Drones are more formally known as an unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or unmanned aircraft systems. So, essentially, a drone is a flying robot that can be remotely controlled or fly autonomously using software controlled flight plans and its embedded systems that work in conjunction with onboard sensors and a global positioning system, which is a GPS. So, who is using drones? UAVs are most often associated with the military. They were initially used for anti aircraft target practice, intelligence gathering, and more controversially, as weapons platforms. So, drones are now used in a range of civilian roles, including the following: search and rescue, surveillance, traffic monitoring, weather monitoring, firefighting, personal use, photography, videography, agriculture, and delivery services. So, they're pretty much used all over. So, where can you see them? You can see drones all over the world. Since they have so many uses, you can see them in cities and neighborhoods for personal use, over mountains for videography and photography, and even search and rescue, and really all over the world for military purposes. The only worry with personal use drones in specific, so in cities or populated areas, is the chance of them crashing either into buildings, houses, or into people. So this is my SWOT analysis. So the Japanese company KDDI recently launched a drone delivery service using U.S. aerospace company SpaceX Starlink satellite internet access service in Chichibu, a mountainous city in Sanamio, on Thursday. So by connecting a drone to the Starlink service that provides a stable communication environment even in the mountain areas, the new delivery service allows residents in the district of this area affected by road closures following a mudslide in September of last year to receive food and other supplies on a regular basis. So under the new service, food, medicine, and other items ordered by residents, they will be delivered once a week until the end of March. The drone used in the service can carry goods weighing up to 5 kilograms in total, flying autonomously on a route of some 3 kilometers to the disaster-affected district. The only thing they have to worry about is the possibility of these drones crashing during delivery routes or even arriving to the wrong residence. So, where are they using drones? Drones go back to 1849 Italy when Venice was fighting for its independence from Australia. Australian soldiers attacked Venice with hot air, hydrogen, or helium-filled balloons equipped with bombs. As drones usage grows in popularity in the 2000s and then after 2020, laws are continually changing. Personal and commercial drone pilots must check the laws of the country and locality in which they are operating the devices. Markets said that the drone services market will grow to 40.7 billion by 2026, up from 13.9 billion in 2021. The Association for Unmanned Vehicle Systems International predicted that drone industries will create more than 100,000 US jobs by 2025. So I can see the mass adoption of this happening within the next 3 years, although it's been growing in popularity for the past 20, 30 years. So drones and SDG. Drones are one of the main technologies driving the precision agriculture, which is the science of improving productivity, efficiency, crop yield, and profitability through the use of technology. That being said, drone technology in agriculture and farming industries is an emerging trend and has its benefits, enable farmers to optimize workflow, utilize resources more efficiently, reduce operation costs, improve productivity, improve crop quality, increase yield rate, detect problems early, and make informative decisions. While drones have a wide range of uses in agriculture, such as crop monitoring, planting seeds, field mapping, spraying pesticides, and more, their main use today are focused on acquiring highly detailed data around crop health, soil health, and detecting diseases through the use of different sensors. So, not only does this powerful data allow farmers to access the health level of their crops and see where they may need to be taken in order to improve the crop quality, but drones also help them quickly identify and detect problems early on. So this could be attacking the climate change issue and going on with agriculture. And lastly, to the truth and a lie in no particular order, drones are more formally known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. The Japanese company KIDD recently launched a drone delivery service using U.S. aerospace company SpaceX's Starlink. Drones go back to 1849 Italy when Venice was fighting for its independence from Australia.